Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Today I made a boneless chicken meal. It's so good and I love it. So we just need a boneless chicken legs. I slice it into strips. And I put some 1 teaspoon grated garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. I put some smoked paprika and cumin powder. And you just mix it until all the chicken was covered into the spices. Now set aside. Let's prepare now the sauce that we will use. So put 1 to 2 tablespoons coco aminos, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and I squeeze some 1 lemon juice and mix it. I also add a 1 tablespoon of sweeteners. So any sweetener is fine. And mix it well. After you mix it, set aside. Now let's cut our vegetable. I use some cabbage and white onions. Now I'm using a wok. Put on the high fire. So put some olive oil or any oil you prefer. You can use avocado oil. Now put the chicken. And just cook it until golden brown. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's add the sauce that we made. And mix the chicken. So just don't over mix it. It should be little bit dry. If it's already dry, and that's ready. Just like this. So this is ready. We just remove it from the pan and put into plate. So there's another oil of it, and we just saute the onion first until caramelize. Or it's up to you. If you like a little bit raw, it's fine. Remove it from the fire and add the cabbage and cook it until like golden brown or half cooked if you like more crunchy. So you can add some salt and pepper on it to taste. And that's ready. Now I prepare the plate like this. I also made a scrambled egg. So, like this. So I use about 5 eggs on it. And put the cabbage. And that's it. This is if you like, I also have some cherry tomato also. So this is perfect meal for your family and you if you're doing a keto or low carb diet. And that's it. I hope this recipe will satisfy your cravings and you can enjoy it to your family. So thank you and God bless. Love you all.